Hello, Amir here. I have developed this small visualization. This is actually the bar chart, the bi-directional bar chart to compare for 2 months the data, the revenue for the salespersons for any given 2 months. We can select the month from here and we will get the table and the chart updated accordingly. This is the comparison between July and December. Now is the comparison between July and October. The data is being pulled from this main master table and we can verify it that, for example, for Peterson, 52 and 84. These are the values for July and October, and for Peterson, these are the values for July and October, 52 and 84. The values have been rounded off according to our requirement. The real values still lie in the cells, but this is only how we are seeing, and the values have been formatted. So these are the months according to what is written over here. So we can change the months from the drop down list and the values will get updated automatically. So we can further tweak this table according to the requirement. Thank you.